Hi everyone, and welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Teacher John, and I'm here to help you become great at learning English. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in all of our English learning videos. All right, thanks a lot. Today, we have a really interesting topic actually, and our topic is the word far, which has a lot of different uses, okay? It's a very important word in the English language. And then also farther and further. All right, so we'll learn about 3 different words in this video. So let's talk about far a little bit. Um, like I said, far has many different uses. All right, and I'm sure that even you will hear some uses of far that aren't covered in this video because there's so many ways to use it. All right, but we're going to talk about a lot of them. And it's important to also note that far can be an adverb or an adjective. So it can have a different location in the sentence, actually. All right, so very important to remember that as well. Hey guys, great news. We have a new book available. You can find a link to the ebook in the description. In this book, you will learn English through stories, like native English speakers do. This book is for English language learners who are interested in learning English in a natural and interesting way. Each story has specially placed English grammar and English vocabulary to help you improve your English. Each of the 16 stories in this book is written in 3 different difficulty levels: Basic English, Intermediate English, and Advanced English. If that sounds interesting to you, just click the link in the description. So far can also be used to talk about how distant something is. Okay, it's about the distance. And it's most common in questions and negative clauses. Okay, so for example, you could ask the question, how far did you walk? Okay, and in a negative clause, I didn't walk far. If the clause is affirmative, then we usually prefer to use a long way. For example, we would say, we walked a long way, not we walked far. Okay? You can use far in this example, but it sounds more natural to use a long way if the sentence is affirmative. However, far is normal in affirmative sentences with the words to, enough, as, and so. So, for example, the school is too far. So far, this movie is very good. Far is also used to modify comparatives, superlatives, and the word to. For example, these shoes are far too big for my feet. He is far bigger than the average man. So let's talk about the words farther and further. Okay, we use farther and further to talk about distance, similar to far. And farther and further actually have the same meaning. All right, they mean the same thing. So, for example, we must walk farther to get home. And we must walk further to get home. They have the same meaning. You can use them in the same way also. However, further can also mean additional or extra. For example, for further information, please call customer service. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. That's our video and our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to see lots of English learning videos just like this. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in to the English Danny channel.